Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Scion TC Release Series 7.0, stock number B8472XA. 72,000 miles on this local trade, high voltage yellow in color. After a rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Scion's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. Spacious trunk. Split folding rear seats. Fold down for additional cargo space. This TC has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, tilt and telescopic steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, radio and CD player with Pioneer sound system, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials, and moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this TC has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8472A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.